The new year comes with challenges. Teachers, parents, tutors, everyone expects you to perform better than the previous grade. But what if you prepare yourself a productive, topper study planner for your exams? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Be Creative and Artistic. In this video, we'll share with you all 30-day study planner to crack your exams and score highest marks. So grab your pen and paper, let's dive into this video. 5 a.m. Wake up, wash your face, have 2 glasses of water and eat a fruit or a handful of nuts. This will not only give you nutrients, but also the sugar in the fruits will give your brain a burst of energy to start the day. 5:30 a.m. Start your first study session. Take up the most challenging topic or difficult subject first thing in the morning. This should last till 7 a.m. In middle around 6:15 a.m. to 6:25 a.m. Take a short break. Stretch your legs and breathe in some fresh air. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Wind up your books. Fresh up. Have a good breakfast. A high-protein breakfast is very important in keeping you healthy during these stressful days. And it's time to get ready for your school. 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. is your school hours. 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. When you reach home, put away your school bag. Fresh up, have lunch, watch TV, check your phone, chat with your parents about your school, and take a power nap of 20 to 30 minutes. This reduces stress, improves your concentration and focus. 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Start your second study session. Complete your homeworks, assignments or projects and do a quick revision of all the topics that have been taught in your school today. 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. A long break. Have your snacks, exercise, listen to music, hydrate, etc. 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Start with your third study session with full focus. You can try solving some mathematics or even studying science or any other subject. Take a 10 minutes break from 7:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. You can also practice some previous year's question papers, grammar, etc. 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Take a half an hour break, have a light dinner and relax. 9:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Do your favorite activities. 20 minutes before going to bed, pack your bags. And don't forget to make a to-do list for the next day. So take a diary or a planner and write down your targets, such as complete chapter number 5 of biology, read chapter number 3-4 of English, practice maps and geography, practice physics numericals, or learn history dates. This is a small but very important step. Now 10 p.m. is your bedtime. So this is a sample of the study timetable, and you can change the timings according to your suitability. If you found this video helpful, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing tips and study hacks. Thank you so much for watching. All the very best for your exams. See ya!